The case is not Saka coming to you from South Marble Island. Tried going live, but didn't get the internet up here on the top of this boat. It's a small one, American Cruise Line Constellation. Last time I'll be up here at South Marble Island for this season. I'll be heading home Saturday. But a lot of memories from my mom coming up here 24 years ago. North Marble Island, way up that way. You barely see it in the fog like that, but we'll be going up by. Love this boat because it comes around, loops all the way around it. Whereas the big ships just go right on by, and so these smaller ones are a boat like this. It's awesome. Yeah. So more sea lions on here than I remember 24 years ago. They were up there on that other island, way up there, a whole bunch of them. So, but I have seen some humpback running around here. The puffins and other birds that people want to look for, they come around here. Apparently South Marble Island is home to a lot of birds, and just a common magnet of a place that draws in birds for a long time now. Yeah, I love the fresh air, the rain. Let's see if I capture the birds there. A little bit wet out. That's all right. Just means the glaciers are being fed. So as we come around the other side, I might capture some there. But this is the side that I remember the closest to the inside. Yeah, out there is towards the middle of the bay. Don't get to see this view from the big ships here, only on ones like this. Alright, Yake Sutstat, huh? Or Yekwa Satin Satsu. I'll talk to you later.